Start with a slip knot and chain 16. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook and into this one, and one single crochet into each and every stitch until the last stitch. And in the last stitch, make 3 single crochets. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. One single crochet into each stitch until the last stitch. This is the next stitch. And take this yarn in along with the working yarn. And in the last stitch, make 3 single crochets. Once you're done, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make one single crochet into the same stitch. That's the first stitch. And one double crochet into the same stitch. That's 2 stitches in the first stitch. Now skip the next stitch and into the next stitch. Repeat the same. One single crochet and one double crochet into the same stitch. Skip one into the next stitch. Repeat the same. One single crochet and one double crochet. Now repeat this in the rest of the stitches. Skip one into the next stitch, one single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch into the next stitch. Repeat the set of stitches. Now once you reach the end, do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. Next round, now this round onwards, we'll be working only into the single crochets. This one. This is the first single crochet. Make one single crochet into the stitch and one double crochet into the same stitch. This is the double crochet. Skip the stitch, and this is a single crochet. You'll be making the next set of stitches over here. One single crochet and one double crochet into the same stitch. This is the next single crochet. One single crochet and one double crochet. Now repeat the set of stitches into each of the single crochets. This is the double crochet. Skip the stitch. This is the next stitch. Once you reach the end, do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. Now just keep repeating this round until it's around 3 to 4 inches in size. We will be working only into the single crochets. This is the next single crochet, one single crochet and a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, that is the double crochet. This is the single crochet. This is how it will look. Now make one half double crochet into each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet and weave off your yarn. Start with a magic circle. Chain 3, 3 treble crochets, yarn over twice, two more treble crochets, and the last one. Three double crochets, chain 1, 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, chain 1, 3 double crochets, three treble crochets, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the magic. Now once you're done, pull out this loop to close the gap, pull it tight and weave off your yarn. Now use a yarn needle to sew it on this. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.